Euro rises with focus on ECB. Dollar retreats. London. The euro rose on Monday as markets centered at the European Central Bank's equipment to fight fragmentation in the foreign money bloc, looking through the chance of political gridlock in France for now after President Emmanuel Macron lost an absolute majority within the USA's parliamentary election. Macron's Ensemble alliance secured the most seats within the National Assembly but fell properly brief of absolutely the majority had to manipulate parliament, final results confirmed. Analysts and investors shrugged off the election end result, focusing as an alternative at the European Central Bank's tries to incorporate borrowing fees in the bloc's south and the worldwide economic coverage outlook. Even though a Macron presidency and majority in parliament would be very wonderful for Euro region cooperation and so forth, it is more for the long term. It is no longer something that influences markets here and now, stated Ingvild Borgen-Gjerd, FX analyst at DNB Markets. There's two matters which are very crucial to the euro: what sort of anti-fragmentation device the ECB can give you, and the outlook for economic policy. Last week, the European Central Bank promised to plot a brand new anti-fragmentation tool that need to provide fresh support for the bloc's indebted southern rim because the ECB increases hobby fees for the primary time for the reason that 2011. The euro became closing up 0.4% towards the dollar at $1.05315. The dollar changed into little changed at 134 yen and 89 sen, after hitting 135.44 yen in Asia-Pacific trading hours, close to Wednesday's peak of 135.60, the best due to the fact that October 1998. The dollar index, which measures the greenback towards a basket of 6 currencies which includes the euro and yen, fell 0.3% to 104.41, however remained close to a two-decade excessive of 105.79 hit on Wednesday while the Federal Reserve raised interest fees through 75 basis points in an try to tame excessive inflation. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will testify before the Senate and the House on Wednesday and Thursday this week. Risk-sensitive currencies, inclusive of the Australian and New Zealand greenbacks, jumped 0.7% and 0.6% respectively, as risk sentiment stabilized after unstable buying and selling final week. The greenback misplaced 0.6% to 0.96335 Swiss francs, whilst sterling ticked up 0.4% to $1.2273. Leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin turned into little modified, buying and selling at $20,663, after hitting a low on the weekend of $17,592.78, a level now not seen because past due 2020.